In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom field in Asana. In Asana, custom fields help you capture important details such as priority, status, or labels that sit directly alongside your tasks, making your workflow more organized and easier to filter. Start by signing in to your Asana account using your usual login method. Then open the project where you want the field to be added. For clarity, switch the project into List View so you can clearly see the column headers where the new field will appear. At the top of the task table, locate the header row and click the plus icon to begin creating a new field. Give your field a clear and descriptive name, such as priority, so your team immediately understands what it represents. Once named, proceed to define the field type and select a drop-down format so you can maintain consistent options across all tasks. Add your options one by one, starting with urgent, then high, and finally low, keeping the structure simple and easy to understand. If color coding is available, assign distinct colors to each option so you can visually scan priorities at a glance. Save the field to apply it to your project, and a new column will immediately appear in your task list. To use it, open any task and select the value in the new field column that matches the task's priority. You can repeat the same process using the plus icon to add more fields and expand your project structure whenever needed. Finally, you can explore additional field suggestions using the Show More option to maintain consistency across your workspace. With that complete, you've successfully created and applied a custom field that helps structure your Asana projects and improves clarity across your tasks. From here, take a moment to review how the field behaves across different tasks, ensuring your options are consistent and easy for your team to apply. If needed, adjust labels or add additional options to better reflect your workflow. The goal is to keep your project information structured, readable, and actionable at all times. Once everything is in place, your team will be able to quickly categorize work, prioritize tasks more effectively, and maintain a consistent understanding of project status without needing extra communication. That is how you can confidently add and use custom fields in Asana to improve organization and workflow efficiency. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.